For military personnel, or even outdoorsy guys or survivalists, precision and finely tuned performance are essential, leaving no margin for error. With the right gear, they can conquer the battlefield and achieve success with confidence. So, in this video, we'll showcase 30 of the most incredible tactical military gear and gadgets, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever comes your way. Without further ado, let's dive in. In moments where precision and reliability are critical, the Steiner Optics MPS micro-pistol sight shines with its battle-tested durability and military-grade ruggedness. Made entirely of metal with reinforced sidewalls, it seals the emitter completely and boasts a recessed window with a metal hood to protect the front lens, ranking it among the toughest sights available. Despite weighing just 2 ounces or 58 grams, the MPS delivers top-tier Steiner glass quality, featuring 8 brightness levels and an impressive 13,000-hour battery life. Its one-time magnification ensures an undistorted image, allowing for both eyes-open operation and full situational awareness. Compatible with an acro footprint, it fits most optic-ready pistols. Built to endure harsh environments, it includes a shock-resistant design and a water-pressure-tight laser emitter. The 3.3 MOA dot provides quick and accurate target acquisition, while the accessible battery compartment allows for easy battery changes without dismounting the sight. A flashing red light alerts you when the battery is low, ensuring you're always ready. The Steiner Optics MPS is a reliable companion for those who demand durability, clarity, and reliability in their shooting experience. When the stakes are high and every movement counts, having the right gear is crucial. The 511 Tac A2 Gloves are the top choice for law enforcement officers and special operators around the world, offering superior comfort and enhanced dexterity in any operational setting. With the patented Tactical Touch Precision fingertip design, these gloves deliver exceptional tactility and protection. The breathable stretch nylon back panel ensures hands stay cool and dry, while reinforced finger joints and synthetic leather grip pads guard against lacerations and abrasions. Convenience and security are further enhanced by an integrated sweat wipe on the thumb and a reliable neoprene hook and loop closure. Lightweight and fast-drying, these gloves feature a synthetic leather suede palm and reinforced thumb saddle for a strong grip and long-lasting durability. The Tac A2 gloves are the ideal choice for professionals seeking reliable and effective gear for any mission. Made in the United States, the Spartan armor, Leonidas legend, sets the standard for ballistic protection. Constructed with lightweight squadron laser-cut laminate over a Cordura 500D body, this plate carrier offers exceptional durability and comfort. The enhanced padding in the front, back, and shoulders, combined with high-density foam standoffs, ensures superior comfort and airflow during extended use. The fully adjustable cummerbund, with 7 adjustment levels, accommodates various body types from L to 3XL and includes a quick-release system for fast donning and doffing. The Leonidas legend is equipped with mole side plate pouches for 6 by 6 inch or 6 by 8 inch armored plates, along with multi-directional laser-cut webbing on the shoulder pads and a reinforced rear drag handle for maximum versatility and strength. As a 100% Berry-compliant product, this carrier is a top choice for law enforcement, military personnel, and concerned citizens, providing protection and readiness for any mission. On a bright sunny day during a covert operation, visual clarity is the uppermost priority. The Wiley X Peak Captivate sunglasses deliver exceptional sharpness and protection with Captivate polarized lenses, enhancing contrast and color while reducing glare. This ensures every detail is visible, even in harsh sunlight. Meeting military ANSI Z 87.1 standards for high-velocity impact protection, these sunglasses safeguard your eyes in any environment. The lightweight triloid nylon frame provides superior strength and flexibility, while rubberized nose pads and temple grips ensure all-day comfort and a secure fit during intense activities. With lenses offering 100% UV protection from harmful UVA and UVB rays, these sunglasses are perfect for extended outdoor use. Designed for those who demand both style and performance, the Wiley X-Peak Captivate sunglasses deliver unmatched clarity and protection, making them ideal for any outdoor activity. In critical situations where precision and reliability are essential, the CRKT M20 14 SFG folding knife proves to be an all-important tool. Designed to cut through tough materials swiftly, its VEF serrations provide superior cutting power on ropes and fibrous materials, ensuring effectiveness in any scenario. The dual hilt enhances grip, preventing hands from slipping onto the blade, thereby ensuring safety during use. Its automated liner safety system keeps the blade securely locked, instilling confidence during heavy-duty tasks. The glass-reinforced handle offers a strong, lightweight grip with enhanced durability, capable of withstanding the rigors of tactical operations. Thumb studs and a flipper enable quick one-handed blade deployment, ensuring you are always ready for action. The 8K14 Movi stainless steel blade with a titanium nitride coating combines advanced features with rugged construction. With a blade length of 3.875 inches, and an overall length of 9.25 inches, this SFG folding knife stands out as one of the most reliable cutting tools for tactical professionals who demand high performance in demanding situations. Next on our list is the Cyansky P25, a pocket-sized tactical flashlight designed for military and tactical use. Boasting a maximum brightness of 3,000 lumens, it features a Cree XHP 70.2 LED chip ensuring both brightness and consistency. Powered by a 5,000 mAh rechargeable 21700 battery, this flashlight offers a long-lasting runtime of up to 150 hours. It also includes a strobe mode for signaling or disorienting an attacker. With an IP68 waterproof rating, the P25 is protected against dust and dirt and can be submerged in water with ease. Made of durable aircraft-grade aluminum with a hard anodized finish, this flashlight is shock-proof and impact-resistant, making it a reliable companion for any demanding situation. Sequentially, we have the Opsmen EARMOR M20, a revolutionary piece of tactical gear designed to protect the hearing of soldiers, law enforcement officers, and other professionals operating in high-noise environments. Featuring an advanced digital circuit, it offers intuitive one-button operation for ease of use, even in high-stress situations. The M20 provides two sound modes, indoor and outdoor, to adapt to different environments and deliver optimal sound quality. Additionally, its variable gunshot suppression feature automatically reduces loud and harmful gunfire noises. This advanced communication headset not only offers unparalleled protection against harmful noise, but delivers crystal-clear audio, making it the perfect choice for anyone needing to communicate effectively and safely in loud environments. Now, we've another visual gadget, the Gatorz Delta, a high-performance tactical eyewear that is designed to provide superior protection, comfort, and style. Crafted from mil-spec ballistic standard materials, this eyewear is built to withstand the toughest conditions, ensuring maximum eye protection. It features an anti-fog coating, allowing you to maintain clear vision in humid or wet environments. The Gatorz Delta's high-contrast lenses offer superior clarity and color contrast, making them perfect for various lighting conditions, especially in low-light environments. Additionally, the lenses are scratch-resistant, ensuring long-lasting clarity and usability. The Gatorz Delta seamlessly combines durability, performance, and style, making it an excellent choice for demanding situations. When it comes to protecting your hands on the battlefield or during rigorous outdoor activities, these gloves are unparalleled. They combine comfort and durability with a padded polyester mesh chassis that ensures a breathable and comfortable fit. Additionally, the combative leather thumb and palm reinforcements offer extra durability and protection for high-impact areas. Designed with the modern warrior in mind, these gloves feature a touchscreen-compatible trigger finger and thumb, allowing you to operate smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices without removing them. An adjustable wrist cinch closure ensures a secure and comfortable fit, preventing the gloves from slipping off during intense activities. These gloves are also compatible with Moralphabet knuckle pads, providing additional protection and customization options to tailor the gloves to your specific needs. Most importantly, they are U.S. veteran designed and developed, tested, and battle-proven by veterans themselves, ensuring the highest quality and durability. The Magnum Elite Spyder X boots are a trusted ally for military and law enforcement professionals, offering a perfect combination of durability and comfort. The leather upper, reinforced with hard-wearing, breathable fabric, ensures protection and comfort during long hours of use. The fast-wicking lining manages moisture, keeping feet dry and comfortable in any conditions. The rust-proof, anti-glare hardware enhances durability and eliminates the risk of glare, which could compromise the user's position. The compression-molded recoil midsole absorbs impact, providing all-day support and comfort even in challenging terrains. The Vibram rubber outsole, a testament to the boot's quality and performance, offers exceptional durability and traction, a vital feature for any tactical boot. So that was our video on the 30 incredible tactical military gear and gadgets. Let us know your favorite picks in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.